Hey, what's up, guys? So as you can actually see, guys, all the Shiba is Shiba all over the world, Shiba all over. Man, Shibaswap is becoming the biggest thing right now, so I don't want you to be left behind. So I mean, this guy is actually informing us with everything we need to know about Shiba. You can follow this guy, Satoshi Kosama. You can actually follow this guy, and you can actually follow this one, Shib at Shib token. So everything happens from these guys. They actually going to let us know with everything new and everything that's happening with Shibaswap. So as you can actually see here, this guy just said, after reviewing the initial analytics for Shibaswap, the dev team and the other signers agreed to move forward with adding 3 new pairs to the woof list. ETH to USDT, which is going to be that 300 AP, and then Leash and Bone is gonna give you 900 AP, and then Shib and Bone is going to give you 600 AP. We don't know what that means as of I can say, but you will actually gonna get onto the Shibaswap, so you're going to be able to see what does that mean. So guys, get onto there and you can actually see all of those. So there are new pairs added to Shibaswap within the next few hours. ETH to USD and Leash and Bone and Shib. So this was what was said before. We can actually see that. So this is there. This is actually happened. So I'm going to retweet all these. So I'm going to do this as the live. So you make sure you follow me as Mez the Star on Twitter and Instagram, and then you actually follow this channel. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any news, anything about Shibaswap and everything about cryptocurrencies. This channel is trying, guys, to actually make you aware of what's going on now, because cryptocurrencies is the new thing. Cryptocurrencies is the last thing that's going to last for a very long time. So let's just hashtag this Shibaswap, and then Shib Army and Shibaswap. In the coin. So just have to retweet that, and so there's even a new listing right there. So you actually have to make sure you don't miss all of that. So we're going to do that or retweet that. So guys, that's it for this video, guys. So make sure you subscribe so that you can actually don't miss anything that is going to be posted on this video. Make sure you follow me on Mez the Star so that everything that you miss, I will actually be able to just post it there. So that's it for this one, guys, and then I will see you on the next one. This is a ciao.